My friends, our today's topic is linear equations in two variables. What is meant by linear equation in two variables? In previous standard, we have studied about linear equations in one variable. Yes. What were the equations? Linear equations in one variable. Linear equations in one variable, they contain only one variable, and the linear equations in one variable, they have only one and one solution, a unique solution. For example, if I will take one of the linear equation in one variable as say 2x minus 5 is equal to 0, then this is a linear equation in one variable. Let us take one more example. For example, suppose I am having another type of linear equation in one variable. For example, say 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. Then this type of equations are called linear equation in one variable, which we have studied in previous standard. How we solve it and what is meant by solution of this linear equation in one variable? How we solve it? We solve this equation as say 2x is equal to minus 5, we will take to this side, it will be plus 5, and we get x is equal to 5 upon 2, you will get 2.5. Okay, and this is the solution, one and one only and unique solution of the linear equation in one variable. Okay, now let us see towards the solution of this second equation. What will be the solution of second equation? We will solve it as 2x is equal to minus 4. That's why here you will get x is equal to minus 2 and is the solution of this equation. Also, you have studied that the solutions of this type of linear equations in one variable, it can be represented or it can be shown on the number line. For example, suppose we have this type of number line, and suppose at this point there is 0, here 1, here we will take 2, here 3, here 4, likewise minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is a number line, and on this number line you can show where is the solution. Here the value of first equation, the solution of first equation is x is equal to 2.5. So here you will get the solution over here in the form of its value 2.5. So the solution of first equation is over here. Where is the solution of second equation? Second equation, it has the solution at this point. That's on a number line, we can represent the solution of a linear equation in one variable by using a number line. Okay, now here in this chapter, actually we are going to study the linear equation in two variables. Okay, so let's know about what are the linear equations in two variables. Okay. Now, if you see towards the linear equation in two variable means the automatically it will be there in your mind that it must contain two variables. How? For example, suppose there are two persons, person A and person B, they planted some trees. Let this is person A and this is person B. They planted some trees together, and after that it is found that in all they together planted 120 trees together. Then in this case, in this situation, we are in need of two variables. Why? Because in all together they have planted 120 trees, but individually how many trees the A has planted and individually how many trees the B has planted, we don't know. So here we have to use the two variables. So what I will do, I will take it as let A planted X trees. How many trees? A planted X trees, and let B planted, person B planted Y trees. Then how I will write this situation? Now, how I will write this situation in mathematical form? This situation I can write it in mathematical form as x plus y is equal to 120. Okay, and this is called as linear equation in two variables because it contains two variables. Linear equation in two variables. Sometimes it is also called as simultaneous equation because simultaneously at a time two variables they are present in the equation. So it is called linear equation in two variables. Yes, and the standard form of the linear equation in two variables is the linear equation in two variable, its standard form is ax plus by is equal to c. This is its standard form. It means whenever there is a linear equation in two variables, the equation it is always in this form. Okay, so we call it as standard form of the linear equation in two variables. Okay, let us see some more examples of the linear equation in two variables. For example, you see that they are in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and here what are ABC? A, B, C are constants, and A, B, C can be any real numbers, and x and y are variables. Okay, now one example of linear equation in two variable is suppose 3x plus 2y is equal to 7, where A is equal to 3, B is equal to 2 and C is equal to 7. Yes, one more example we will take. Another example, we can write it as, suppose I have 2x minus 3y is equal to 5. Okay, what is the value of a in this? A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 5. So like these equations, these are examples of linear equation in two variables. Okay, followed. What type of difference is there in between the linear equation in one variable and linear equation in two variables? Now, I told you that a linear equation in one variable, we can represent it on number line. Then let us study in next article how we can represent the solution of this type of linear equations in two variables and how to solve these equations. Okay.